Well, good morning everyone. Just a short little video today, not too big. We're just going to do some repair on the paint. Last night when I was leaving for work, I slipped on the concrete here and dropped the bike a low. Done while we're here. Anyways, just gonna paint that up. When you're a new rider, you make mistakes and you pay for it. So, gotta be careful with that. Good thing I bought a lot of this stuff. I think I'll need it. Yeah. Pretty bad. Anyways, this is basically just about it. This is my bike, the 23 Road Glide. Just watched her about a couple days ago. So, yeah. She's a little dirty right now. I try to keep her clean as much as possible. Take care of your machine, it'll take care of you. And for the most part, it has. Just my incompetence that doesn't take care of the bike as much as I would like. Anyhow, this is just plastic, so this is not really required. Like, it's just plastic. But this is metal, obviously. It's crash bars. Saved the bike quite a bit. For that, I'm very thankful for that. Anyhow. Now, a lot of people ask me if I get compliments on the bike, and I do. Though that's not why I bought it. I bought it so I could get around. It's my only mode of transportation. There are cheaper options, but this is what I wanted. And I'm just gonna roll with that. I've always liked the Harley Davidson Road Glide. It's a beautiful bike. We'll let that dry and we'll look for other places that may need the paint. Anywhere. Anything here? Not that I see. Well, it doesn't need paint, but I'm just going to touch it up anyways. There we go. I do remember doing it a little bit too far over on this side. Wait. Oh, there we go. Looks like we could paint that up a little. Now, I don't want to give you guys a headache with these weird camera angles, but yeah. I'm going to take the helmet off. Alright, let's get the clear coat on. Alright guys, here we are again, putting on the clear coat. And that basically just about does it. Alright. See you guys.